everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick microwave cake that you do not have to bake. So just be sure to use whatever sort of microwave safe dish that you have. I just ended up using this glass pie dish because I don't have anything else that's round and microwave safe. And then I put a little bit of parchment paper on the bottom just so that it's easy to peel off and take out later. In a large mixing bowl, go ahead and sift together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of sugar, and a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. And be sure to use a very good quality cocoa powder because I do believe that makes all the difference in the taste of your cake. I usually use a buttercream frosting on all of my cakes because that is my personal favorite. But this time I was short on time, so I made a quick 5-minute chocolate frosting recipe, and I'll be sure to put that in the description below and link it in the comment cards above for you guys. Next up, just stir those dry ingredients together to make sure everything is combined. And then go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then mix everything together one more time. Now add in 1 room temperature egg, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of room temperature milk. And I ended up using whole milk. Mix everything together for about 30 seconds or so. You can use a whisk. It'll just take a little bit longer to get all those lumps out. So I do think that a hand mixer is a little bit quicker and easier. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, as that does help to support my channel, and give me a big thumbs up below and let me know in the comments if you would like to see any other recipes. And the last thing we'll add is just 1/2 cup of warm water, and it can even be hot water. Just make sure it's not cold water because you want all of these ingredients to come together very easily and combine well. So mix it another 30 seconds or so before we pop this batter into the microwave. My cake ended up being about 2 inches thick. So what I did was put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. It really just depends on how big your dish is that you're using. As you can tell, this is not a very wide pie dish. So go ahead and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes and just keep checking on it because you'll be able to tell as it jiggles and even by using a toothpick if it's completely cooked through or not. So it took exactly 5 minutes for mine to be cooked through. I used a sharp knife to go around that cake just so that it's a little bit easier for it to come out of that pie dish. And then go ahead and grab a round plate, really whatever you have on hand. And you're just going to gently flip the cake over. And now you're going to use whatever you're going to serve your cake on. So I actually just have a cute little cake stand. And then you're going to flip it one more time to get that top facing you again so that's ready for frosting. Frost your cake with whatever type of frosting your heart desires. And I will leave the recipe for this one below like I mentioned earlier. And please let me know if you do try the cake, how it turned out. What is your favorite type of frosting? Mine personally is buttercream, but sometimes that just takes way too much effort, way too much mixing. So I do go for this quick one when I'm in a rush or when the cravings kick in. I hope you guys enjoy this cake. I will leave the full ingredients in the description below as well as on my website at sarahsbites.com. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.